Hey, how's it going, guys? So, this looks kind of familiar, but this is the upgraded 2019 mini projector from GIMISONIC. What's upgraded? Well, this one has built-in Wi-Fi. It has a 400 lux LED projector with 5,000 hours of lamp life. This one's supposed to be 1080p. No, it's 720p native. 4,000 lumens. And I would have to test, but supposedly this has built-in Android. Alright, yeah, it even says right here, built-in Android. So you might ask, why do I care about built-in Android? Well, Android is kind of like those Android phones, right? And you're able to load APKs. And what does that mean? It's just apps, softwares, and basically you can make it run stuff, right? I'm not sure it'll connect to like Google Store or anything, but I'm able to load like certain movie apps, like Media Box HD or BTV, etc., etc. There's tons of them out there. Okay, let's just go for this first here on this side. So here is the composite out. Here's the power cable, so I'll leave this over here and I'll power it on for you. And like the other one, it has the power brick on the outside. Lens cap, no strings, so you can't lose that when you take it off. Here's a simple battery remote. Looks like it's been opened. Okay. And this one here's, oh nice, HDMI cable. I don't remember my first one came with HDMI cable, but this one came with one. Sorry, I'm still a little sick. Yank this out here sideways. It does feel a little smaller than my other one. I wish I had it here. I brought the other one home so I can do another video on it. But I'll do a video on this. Alright, so here it is. It's just a simple unboxing. Take it out of wrapping here. And I'll show you all the details. So it has an IO port in the front and in the back right there. Here's the VGA out. Okay, but here, start again with the front. So here's the front lens. Here's the little leg, so you can, if it's on the ground, then you can kind of lift it up a little bit. Nice simple design. This is where kind of the fan with the little, like a filter inside. And in the rear, we have where the power is, right here. And we have the VGA, and here's another filtered fan. And here on the right side, we have the earphone out. Here's the audio video out, the composite one that I showed you earlier. Just plug that in. It has two HDMIs and a USB. I have to check to see, because I'm thinking this should sync with mirroring for iPhones. Maybe not, maybe so. We shall find out in a little while, okay? You see like a little painted band here. Nice touch. And I got the black model just because, you know, it's a little more hidden whenever you stick it into the room. And on the bottoms, it's just legs. And you can have screws to mount. And that's about it. Alright. I hope you enjoyed this video. I'll do a separate video of me turning this on and letting you see how sharp it is. I just want to keep this one simple with unboxing. And this one, you just kind of push in, I believe. Okay, there we go. Now let's try it. There you go. Alright, so you have to just screw this in, push the lens back all the way, and it'll slowly pop in. Not as well as I thought. Because that one stayed in a little better. But it's something I'll work on, and we'll see. Alright? So if you have any questions, leave a comment below. And make sure you like, share, and subscribe. And I'll bring you more cool videos coming soon. Alright? Cool. I'll leave it there.